Here it's Emma and Chickzilla and Fiona. We are going to be watching birds take the chickens' food. I'm going to back up a bit so we don't scare the birds. Yes, I am in this cool little remote control car. It says warning, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, it's really cool. My grandpa gave it to me on Christmas a few years ago. Oh, we got Chickzilla and Fiona. They're like completely taking over like the space because they're like worried that the birds are gonna eat all their food, which they are. Oh, there we go. We're in place. We're in place. There it is. Chickzilla doesn't want to do anything about it. Those birds are not scared at all. Well, hope you like our video today, guys. Make sure you comment and like and subscribe down below. Jeez, I cannot talk today. Say bye, birdies. Bye, chickies. Bye, guys.